Gavana mwenyewe alete yake tuone. Gavana mwenyewe yake iko wapi? Unajua the problem I have with the governor of Nyamira is one. He's telling people to produce certificates that they are fake. When he himself we are told that he has a fake certificate. Aweka yake kwa meza kwanza tuone alisoma wapi. Nyinyi mnajua alisoma wapi. So I think what is happening here, wacha asianze kuambia watu ati anataka alete ati watu alikuta watu wameandikwa, hiyo watu ndio wanampigia kura. And remember the governor of Nyamira had issues with the other governor who passed on. Na watu walikuwa wanasema yeye amemkalia amefanya nini? Yeye asiende kukalia watu. Let him stop that nonsense of telling people that they have fake certificates. People whom we didn't employ. Yeye hakuandika hiyo watu. Aliwakuta hapo hiyo watu wakumpigia kura. Hata kama hawakumpigia, is there right to work in Nyamira? In fact, I'm asking those people what the order 79. Nataka niwachukulie pasi wakuja hapa kwangu. Mimi nitawapeleka kotini. We will take governor Nyaribo to court unless you want aoche hiyo pusi yake ya kusumbua watu. Let him want to stop. Ni opusi kabisa. Hata yeye anajua hivyo. Abantu bari abaende kotini, onyone mba let them go to court or assist them. Nyaribo tabwati tato authority yo kuputia abantu bakorera gazi barigetwe tabwati tato authority. Abantu bari bude urukamya urugeta na advocate yande kotini anyo chiora bairane kigazi. He has no authority at all. Erebuye komo nyene digabe kama sakara Nyaribo nabwata masakara. Does he have? If he has, then I'm told that even when he was giving in his papers, egere tuaro kore igurende egere tuaro ko giving papers to the IPC, he didn't have his abwate affidavit. Ngai certificate ya jitiken. You moy whether I get on that kaidan. Where did he leave his papers? Let him to answer egero ko nyoro mondo na Nyaribo o beire gavana. From nowhere, omo de bia bantu na gyote to fe certificate ya bantu. Na gyofe certificate ya bantu na bantu no ba ko begete kero. Yani ondengo choko Nyamira rero kero na beire gavana mo de bia bantu na bono tete certificate je to so ko ba fe ko so kwanya na bantu na ba Nyamira. Weta ba wati certificate je fake wa bwate eje ya enga ye kate ko. Tiga na rara beka we start with Nyaribo my friends. Tiga tora jaga na Nyaribo ara beka je ya mesa tora sa so mete ba. You cannot go and start sagging people who put you in the office. It is very wrong. Abantu bari bono, abantu bari out there. You know, go sagya abantu. They say go somebody at the say denga bare 79. How many families go affected? Abantu indi ba to regasio 9 ingo bari get. Who are you supposed to take to deal with? No, you bari get go so no you reji. Abantu ri mata ba get wa giving mara ko maja ko. You can imagine on the road, several people are going to be from Nyamira, but about the Rijiga as well. Then, in fact, the another day was going to me on the day of the year, you must me what he might get don't go correct King Konya, Okuana Yaliba, my daddy thinks now, Nawan Yaliba correct Amoiran Yegas. And you know, Jana go in Yalibon again, Yalibotas who got again to exactly what they were representing in Dagotap. In Kenya, as we are talking today, Otobuata many issues. I thought that my dad got having again fraud ya fake papers. That's not starting from having the fiscal papers in your table, no go about. Although the command motor, the way I see a year or met, and then I tell you, man, to guy was on the primary. I got to go to a secretary, watch yet. I got to go to a secretary, watch it so me university degree out. So that talk on around Kenya, we can walk and ask. Talk on your outside the country, or tell you what I did is university and Nairobi. What I did university, Kenyatta, what I did, Gaton. You know, those are some of the things that come on. Nyaribo ta kumka one morning, aso ko butaba anto, but depended on employment, ba we employed by the previous governor. Ama ko muga aso ko butana na fake certificate. Fake certificate zingi abanda ko nyana kiwa ko if they have been working on this time for 5 years. They have even gained the experience by virtue of them working that time. So they don't need even certificates.